Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the new updates on the Samsung Galaxy phone. It will apply on the most of the Samsung device. So let's get the video started. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so because I will give you weekly updates videos on your Samsung Galaxy phone so you will keep up to date. So let's get it started. What is the new updates or features right now? The first update is Bixby button. Doesn't matter if you say hi Bixby or you press the button Bixby button or if you type anything, the Bixby button, the screen size will be actually depends on your questions. Right now it's not going to be full size. Back then, previously it's a full screen size if you press the Bixby button or say hello Bixby, but now it's actually depending on your questions. They can be quarter size, 1/4 or 3/4, depends on your question. Here are some examples I will show you right now. How old is Obama?
Obama is 59 years old.
What is the Canada score today?
Okay, here's what I found online.
What is the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow, it will be cloudy and sunny with a high of 23 degrees.
As you can
and a
see,
low of 13
some questions
degrees.
is kind of like a full screen, like a 3/4 size. Some questions is only like a very small little screen size. So it depends on the questions, they will customize the screen size for you. In addition, Bixby is getting smarter now. Let's just say if you ask what's the weather like, they will have a preset questions your next question is, and you just need to press a button and then Bixby will answer your question right away. You don't have to say anything. The button will be at the top. You just need to press it and then your question will be answered instantly. That's pretty awesome. Smart Select will be my next features today. So go on any website or any browser. Now you can see words and pictures. Go on the side panel, select Smart Select. Boom, you can see that. Now your picture actually selected by themselves. So Samsung knows that you want to select the picture, so you're going to do the screenshot, right, for the picture. So they will select the picture for you without you even doing anything. That's a pretty neat feature, I would think, right? So basically you just select Smart Select with your S Pen or the button, they will select the picture for you. Another neat feature is when you go to the gallery, search that picture, there's this thing called go to the website, and they will know that you select this picture from this website. You click there, then the website is being selected for you. It's so cool. They will go straight to that website instantly. So this is it. This is an update for your Samsung device. It will work on most of the Samsung phone. Please subscribe my channel, share this video, and I will have another video very soon because there's another update. Alright? Stay tuned and stay safe. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.